Looking for a stylish, centrally located, gay-friendly hotel in Washington, DC that actually delivers on vibe, comfort, and access to the best of the district?
We may have found it. Welcome to our luxury hotel review of Thompson Washington DC, a sleek nautical-inspired property that's become the social anchor of the Navy Yard.
From scenic riverside strolls and rooftop views to luxe touches in-room, let's dive into everything you need to know before booking your stay. Hey everyone, we're Andy and Trey, aka Two Gay Expats, bringing you travel tips, hotel reviews, and LGBTQ guides from around the world.
Today, we're in our nation's capital, bringing you our review of the very first Thompson Hotel in Washington, D.C. Now, if you know the Thompson brand, you already know they blend local personality with understated luxury. And this one totally delivers.
Think industrial chic meets maritime elegance. With clean, fresh design elements, it's giving modern nautical vibes without feeling overly themed.
Plus, it's a Hyatt property, so if you're sitting on some Chase Sapphire or World of Hyatt points like we were, you can use them for a free night here. Just 15,000 points for a standard room, and elite perks if you have Discover status or higher.
Now, let's talk location. The Thompson is right in the heart of the Navy Yard, one of DC's trendiest, most walkable neighborhoods.
Your steps from the Anacostia Riverwalk Trail, the Walking Museum of Transportation, and a great mix of local cafes, breweries, and restaurants. Nationals Park is just a few blocks away, and trust us, whether you're there for the game or just the guys, it's a win.
Across the street, there's Capital Bikeshare, and the Green Line Metro stop is just a short walk away, making it easy to explore gay nightlife in U Street, Shaw, and DuPont and Logan circles.
And if you're into fitness, Vita Fitness is a local favorite, and Blue Jacket Brewery nearby has great food and a pet-friendly patio. Honestly, this area has everything.
From the moment you walk in, the vibe is clean, modern, and inviting. The lobby is flooded with natural light, cozy seating, a long communal work table with tons of outlets, and even a tucked-away Thompson bar room that feels like a speakeasy meets study nook.
The bellman and valet team are super helpful with luggage and parking. Also, shout out to the 3 high-speed elevators that always seem to arrive instantly.
Speaking of elevators, the gym is directly accessible from the basement, so no wandering around in your sweaty gear. We're talking Peloton bikes, TRX straps, which Trey always packs, treadmills, and a solid free weights area.
Then there's the Rooftop Bar, which opens at 5 p.m. daily and hosts a great happy hour until 7 p.m. Pro tip, stick to the happy hour menu. A Hendrix Negroni is delicious, but $25 outside of the deal. Ask us how we know.
But the view makes it worth it. Panoramic cityscapes, the Anacostia River, planes descending into Reagan, and even rowers training on the water below.
In terms of accommodations, we stayed in a standard king room, and honestly, it's giving boutique luxury. Tons of space, a deep navy palette, nautical accents, and thoughtfully placed lighting.
You get robes and slippers, a luggage rack, iron and steamer in the closet, and reading lamps and USB outlets on both sides of the bed. Which is great, although we're now Team USB-C, so let's get that upgrade soon, Hyatt.
The desk setup is solid too, with extra outlets and a comfortable chair for working. Plus, there's a well-lit full-length mirror by the door, a must.
The bathroom really shines. Beautiful tile work, a spacious shower with a shaving mirror, plenty of counter space, and those luxury DS and Durga products that smell amazing.
And we love when the shower knob isn't directly under the water stream. No cold water splash surprise.
The on-site restaurant Surveyor serves all-day dining, but we skipped it based on some lukewarm reviews and staff recommendations.
Instead, we opt for dinner at Osteria Marini, just a short riverside walk away. It's a total vibe with an excellent wine list and incredible handmade pastas. Oh, and on Monday nights, pastas are just $15.
For breakfast, we crossed the street to Maman, a charming cafe with Parisian flair. Amazing pastries, excellent coffee, and a tasty granola bowl and breakfast sandwich we split. And you get 10% off as a hotel guest, another nice perk included with the destination fee.
Overall, we give the Thompson Washington DC a big thumbs up. The design is gorgeous, the staff are friendly, and it's a great value at just $179 a night in shoulder season plus a $30 destination fee.
But here's the kicker. The destination fee actually offers value. You get Capital Bikeshare codes, discounts at Maman and other spots, even an espresso machine delivered to your room upon request. That's how you do it right.
And yes, there are a few things we'd tweak. No CNBC on the TVs, Nespresso not in all rooms by default, and the toilet paper felt a bit budget.
Oh, and watch those rooftop drink prices if you're not ordering from the happy hour menu. But otherwise, solid stay.
Now let's discuss a few quick tips to make the most of your trip. Use the Green Line to access DC's best gay nightlife. U Street, Shaw, and even Adams Morgan are just a few stops away. Book restaurants in advance, especially on weekends. Visit Tingy Plaza across the street, great for dog walks and people watching. Don't miss the Smithsonian Museums and the National Mall. They're free and less than a 10-minute ride away. Blue Jacket Brewery is a must for craft beer and relaxed bites on their pet-friendly patio.
And if you're visiting during Capital Pride or World Pride, this is an ideal home base. We'll link our updated DC Gay Nightlife Guide and blog post in the description.
So, if you're planning a gaycation or just looking for a cozy, stylish home base in DC, definitely give Thompson Washington DC a look.
Well, that's a wrap for this Thompson Washington DC hotel review. Let us know down in the comments if you've stayed here or if you have other DC hotel recs. We're always exploring.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
For more travel inspiration, head over to our website at twogayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description, and follow us on social media at twogayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for uncensored photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Hasta luego.